reduce the risk of flash flooding of our site by up to 100% with an average reduction of 78%. They captured up to 99.74 of the excess rainwater generated within our site during the typhoon. And finally, the finding that we consider the most significant. The study concluded that the presence of Montarasos de Cebu development with its detention pond system in place actually helped and reduced water runoff compared to the scenario where the site had no development and no ponds. If those detention ponds have not been built, the risk of flash flooding flowing off that site should have been greater. The study does not simply find that our project did not worsen the flooding. It finds that the system we built helped reduce it. These are the conclusions of the University of the Philippines. It is the same study that was subsequently presented to the relevant government authorities who conducted their own separate technical reviews and assessments. We have cooperated fully and with every official inspection and investigation, and we will continue to work closely with all the regulators and concerned agencies.